Hello friends, this is RK Sharma. In our today's session, we will create a chart of accounts. How to create chart of accounts, how to assign it with the company, how to create account group. So all these things will be covered under this topic. So let's start. We are going to start from SPRO. The T code is SPRO, SCP reference IMG, financial accounting, general ledger accounting, GL accounts, master data, preparations. This is the menu path to create chart of accounts. If you want to display the technical code, just go to additional information, display key and IMG activities. So T code to create chart of count is OB13. Just click there, click on new entries. So our company was Piyush Private Limited. For this company, we are going to create a chart of accounts. So this is the four character PI00, chart of accounts for Piyush Private Limited. Language is English. Here important the length of GL account number. That means here you will define the number of digit of a chart of accounts. It can be 6 digit, 8 digit, 10 digit, whatever. Okay. So put your digit which is required by the client. So in this scenario, I'm going to put 6 digit. And in control integration, you will find two options. One is manual creation of cost element. Another one is automatic creation of cost elements. So here I'm going to select manual creation of cost element. Just click on save button. So it is our previous request number which we have configured in the previous configuration. So just click on to that. So I have saved this chart of account. In next step, we will assign this chart of account with company. The T code is to assign company code to chart of account is OB62. Click there, search your company code. So I have defined chart of account is PI00. Press enter, save it. The next important step is to define account group. So T code to define account group is OBD4. Define account group. Click on new entries. Say here I am going to define the account group. Say in our scenario, I am going to take these four groups. First one is for liabilities. Another one is for assets, income and expenses. Because we need four characters to define this account group. It can be numeric or it can be alphanumeric. So in this four group, I have to assign the GL account number range. Say I have put 6 digit for chart of accounts. So for this liability, I am going to create a 6-digit number range for liability. Let's start. This is 100 001 to 200 000, and for assets it is 200 001 to 300, and so on. So let us create in a chart of accounts. So chart of account is, my chart of account is PI00. So here I am writing LIAB. This is my liability group. So these are the liabilities for Piyush and Piyush Private Limited. So these are the 6-digit, say 1 lakh, 1 to 2 lakh. This is for liability, and next one is for assets. The number range is 2 lakh, 1 to 3 lakh. This is income. Let me copy this text so that it can become easy. Income for Piyush and Company, 3 lakh 1 to 4 lakh. And finally is the last group for expense. It's from 4 lakh 1 to 5 lakhs. So I have made this 4 group. So it can be created based on the real scenario of the company's requirement. Like company have a number of accounting groups. For this, we have to define all those requirements that has been found in the company balance sheet or P&L account. Like expense can be divided and can be split into different group or subgroups. Like it is one of the group expenses, we have started from 4 lakh 1 to 5 lakh. So in real scenario, you will find it a number of groups. Means direct expenses, indirect expenses, finance expenses, manufacturing expenses, employee welfare expenses. So those can be split into this number range. So let us save this. So I have saved this. Now go back. Your next step is to define retained earning accounts. T code is OB53. Yeah, it's mean these retained accounts belong to the profit and loss account. The account which are carry forward from profit and loss account to balance sheet. Those account has to be defined here. So still we have not created any GL account. So just go there. My chart of account is PI00, and say here example I'm going to put a X sign. So X denote that these accounts will be carried forward from P&L account to balance sheet. So when I create a GL account, I will map the GL account here later on. Just save it. There is a warning, enter account, but it is a yellow warning. You just press enter and save it. Go back. So this was the method to create chart of accounts. And we have created this chart of account. So thank you for watching the video. Kindly like the video also. Thank you very much.